Well, hello, my name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and today I have a model for you that was inspired by going to the Monterey Bay Aquarium and seeing these amazing jellyfish. And so the techniques that I have available in NX give me the ability to very quickly model very complex things. And so just quickly, I want to show you how I built this. I started with a sketch. The sketch was very simple. It was a perfect circle that, let's see, that was dimension. It's got a 12-inch diameter, and I trimmed it with this reference line. And I did that because I wanted the basic shape of this thing to be round, but I knew it had certain lobes, if you will. So I patterned that sketch, and then I did splines to connect them all up. So make current feature. So as you can see, there's a bunch of splines, and let's do Control Shift K. I'll show you those. There we go. So there, a bunch of splines enabled me to make basically one path of this whole thing. Then there was another sketch, make current feature, that was just a little line segment, and I did a sweep, and that's swept along this path as a guide, but I made a variable called n, which was the number of turns as it sweeps, and it takes a while for it to actually go through because it's twisting as it goes all the way around this number of curves, this drive curve, if you will. And after many minutes, it comes back with this beautiful ribbon shape that has a number of curls, 24 to be exact, 24 twists, n equals 24. If I change this number, I could easily change the number of curls. And what I did next was put tubes on the edges, so it looked like that. I color coded the tubes, and then I did an extract body, and I scaled it to make an inner model, and then I did that again to make another inner model. So I had three models. I went into the animation package and I defined the outer as a rigid body, the mid as a rigid body, the inner as a rigid body, and the coordinate system as a rigid body so that I could create revolutes. And then I made a sphere, and the sphere actually follows this underlying drive curve. So that's everything that I did to make this whole thing happen. And if I Control W, I can take away now the curves and the sketches. Don't want to see those. I want the sheet bodies and the solids, that's for sure. And so the next thing I did once all of that was done is I went to the animation tool. And as you can see, I've got the datum coordinates system as a rigid body. I've got this whole thing. The outer model is a rigid body, the mid model, the inner model. What's this one? Oh, I don't think I'm using that one. And then a sphere. And then I had revolutes that I made. There's all these revolutes. And then I put speed motors on everything. And so when you hit the animate tool, it does that. So things like this are playful. However, the techniques that are needed to do them are the same ones that we apply when we're doing aerospace geometry and automotive geometry. We do a lot of medical stuff. We do a lot of consumer products. And so it's very nice to practice these skills in these more playful context. But when we do our real production work, all these skills come to play. So again, my name is Steve Samuel. Please like and subscribe. This video was a labor of love, as there are many others on our YouTube channel. And as always, I'm very grateful for the privilege of providing this kind of content to the greater community, a creative community, and one that I'm proud to be part of because we bring all these amazing products to light or life, and in many cases we're doing things that have never been done before. So that's always fascinating. So thank you very much.